Well, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Cryptolo here, and we are live. Wednesday, 9 o'clock at night. Today is the 5th. So I changed the title on the video, and we're gonna do this way. We going to do the whole market. I think it's gonna take long, but that's the way we gonna do it. Couple things over here. All right, so we're looking at Dogecoin. I made a mistake. Thought they're gonna hit up here on 0.069. Didn't do it. Just from this level, which was kind of like danger level, because we traded sideways. I hate when you go like this. And what happened? It breaks to the downside. Have some news. Lost 2.8%. 5 p.m. So not gonna read this now. So we have this open position. Of course, a fake money. My indicators kind of like trick me a little bit, because one of those show like a buy, but the candle never passed the trend line. So now, as you can see it, we are on a downside, and I don't think we're gonna recoup from this point. Let's close this position. Just a fake one. I need that. Let me see. So Dogecoin was just like a pump and dump all the way to 7, dump back to 6. Back inside trade, try for some formation, but nothing. We have similar over here below the trend line. 5 minutes, of course. Take a look on the day. We are like way from this. This acting, I would say, either like a 200 line or 50 MA. So you guys know what I'm talking about. So at this point, Dodge, it's close this. Dead in water. Pressure. We're gonna need a very bullish, or either news or something that has come up and gonna push the price all the way up. Other than that, it's gonna be like side trade, probably holding the support, unless they break the support with that. But I don't think this is gonna happen right now. And see if you can, guys, push that way. If you subscribe my channel from yesterday, got a one guy. Yeah, I needed another 999. I got 1,000 subscribers. So I say you're gonna talk about the whole market. Dogecoin, we started. We'll look at all the charts. Right now, it doesn't looking good. Very bearish. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes is a little sideways. Nothing gonna happen. 1 hour bearish. 2 hours bearish with the support. 4 hours didn't show any bearish positions, but it's 4 hours. Even with the buy here, support, let's see how it goes. In a day, same thing like the other 2, 1, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Kind of like a big pressure between sell and buy. So from that, let's take a look. Bitcoin. Someone posted that Bitcoin is supposed to be corrected down to 25,000. 25,000 right here. Somewhere right here. I'm not 100% sure this is gonna happen. As you can see, a big buy on 16, 17, 18. We don't see much of the support at this point. 4 hours. Very bullish. I made a little draw with the head and shoulders down here in the bottom. Now, like on the Dodge, we trading these, which I hated. The kind of this like channel or something, like the side trade, which is sometime when break up or down. Let's change this for green red. So if you go down, we're back in a 16 probably. Guys say probably we hit over here. This tremor 29,000. Let's say 25. I don't know. Who knows? Let's see. Bitcoin, Ethereum holds steady in 1900. Danger formation of 4 hours. Danger formation. As you can see right here, we going to a head and shoulder, almost like, and with like support in this area, make more beautiful. It didn't formate, no formation on right shoulder, but clear on the 4 hours. The left shoulder, the head, going to formate the right shoulder. Hopefully this support the tremor line, and we see another B on the green. That way push the price up. Okay, and hopefully this didn't happen because we have some almost over here and then kind of invert, and now we might gonna see this one. Hopefully not. Big support, now resisting. Let's take a look on the day chart. Day chart, it looks it was healthy into this point. Still on the buy side, but the candles is trading below the tremor, which is not good. Normally, that's the indicator for the sell side. Probably was overbought in a RSI, and now it's going down. So let's see. Let's take a look on gold. Gold in the day chart is very bearish. Below the trauma, B signal on the sell side. Probably hit support and 1800. You're gonna go up. It might have this formation, which is this one right here. And if we break this line, they go up. Oil, as we see it, hit it big time. Look at this. Big buy position. Netflix. I made a mistake because I saw the gap, the two gaps, and as they hit the bottom, you got the support here. Look at how progressive they fill the gaps. For the first one, we're about to fill the second one. So we're looking at probably go up to 500, 540 somewhere, right here. And with the earnings, they might gonna try to push to the $600, hitting this over here, which, as you can see on the trend line, actually right here, I made a copy handle. See the copy handle and the trauma, and it was very, very bullish. So that is Netflix on a day chart. Take a look at 4 hours. Kind of interest. Two big gaps. Hit at the bottom. Buying right here. Very bullish. And 4 hours is a good indicator how the stock's gonna progressive. Same thing with Tesla. Very similar to Netflix. Hit the bottom. Design a little head and shoulder with a big head, or probably like a cup handle. Probably gonna see the cup handle better on a day chart. And let's take all the drawing. So we're going to I don't think it was here. It's more like a head and shoulders. But as you can see, we got a resistance to the 280, and probably another one at 300, and another one at 350. If we hit the $400, it's gonna be impressive. We might have a formation of double top, which is very scary. See how it goes. Let's jump in Apple. We take it 4 hours. Look at this, so beautiful. I might hit this line. I don't see support. So much buying. It's just unbelievable. Take a day chart. Look at the day chart. It hit it. The entry is right here in the bottom, like 140, 143. Would it be a half entry? Let's see. From this to this, 34% profit. Would it be? If I follow my indicators, I would be rich right now. Nvidia. Okay, on my MAS or B, kind of like give me the idea on this bottom, somewhere around the 130 November. So actually try to hit the bottom again at 138, but the confirmation came right here on 175. So actually confirmation came after the candles passed through the trend line. So then it was just like happy face. And Not even cup and handle. It was just like a beautiful chart. Palo Alto missed big time. I was following this stock. When I saw here, kind of like look at the information I had to show, and then boom. It was very bullish from this point. Yeah, it would be a nice in try at 168 level, because trauma pass, big gap up. We already got the buy here, and even hit the trauma, it didn't give me any signal for sell, so kept on a buy and just went ballistic. Now 257. I think we are 52 weeks high. Let's take a look. I don't think it show over here. Anyway, I believe so. So even I put a buy over here at this level, which is 204. So kind of like unbelievable. So we saw Apple and Nvidia. Okay, this kind of, I don't know what's going on over here. This is the dollar, and we hit the bottom. It looks like a double bottom. They keep saying the dollar is gonna fall, but as you can see, if it did, and the buy signal and all that, make me believe that or either they hold, or everything they're saying about the economy is not gonna happen. Other than that, we saw here the confirmation from the sell side. We're below the trauma line, and if I hit the trauma, it come down. In the 4 hours, which is kind of show pretty much in a better way how the stock or whatever, the dollar, is gonna move. So we see this kind of like going up, but we have this resistance that probably gonna hit it and go down. Another indicator from the economy is the VIX. The VIX already hit the bottom, double bottom here, probably. Go to be green, which is the buy trauma line. Even if you have a lot of resistance, we'll take a look on the 4 hours. We don't see no buy here as support on my other indicator. Take a look on the day. The day looking like a head and shoulder. A very like not well formatted, but we can go like this, and this the one shoulder, head, another shoulder, and go back here. This could be a head and shoulder on the VIX. If it is head and shoulder in the VIX, we're probably gonna see something like this. At least over here. Which it will be 229%. Unbelievable. Maybe not that much. Let's go down here. I can't go. still 145%. It might happen. You never know. Even so, because if you look in the weekly, we have this big spike. This was at COVID. If you look over here, we have from the bottom, which are around the same price right now, and right here, 615%, almost 659, 616. So that's the VIX, and Euro, Forex. I don't like much, but it's about to dip with the head and shoulder, and the Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin gonna hold. So many bad news. So guys, let's take a look. We did a play today. Let's see if it's gonna work. This the earnings for Netflix. It's gonna be the 19th, which is probably like next week. 2 weeks. So we did it. You guys know this open strike. So I got this. I strangle for day 28. Could have go to 21st, but that's okay. And I jump big time from 390, 505. Then try was like I was trying to 99, but it was 1028. So right now it's trading right over here, 10,052 million. But as you can see, if the implied volatility tomorrow didn't jump to 65%, I'm dead in the water, because I probably gonna start to lose money. I actually showed this for tomorrow. I'm still gonna make money, and the 7, that's what become more tragic if the stock didn't move. Tomorrow is gonna be Thursday, so this Friday. Hopefully by Friday I see this 85%. If that happens, I'm happy. I'm happy closing in this range over here. But even 64%. Let's see if it goes that much. It's one of the plays that I was doing for the earnings. But right now I'm learning to do like before the earnings. So I'm going like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Actually I did it like not before the earnings, but I did it after earnings. Which I'm probably gonna close this one. I'm gonna take a look at another one, probably like somewhere here, the 21st. And probably gonna do this kind of try for the 21st. Because as you can see, look at the volatility. It's 71%. If I go here, it's 64. Actually, no, less. 53. Here, 59. And probably the price a little bit low. If I go 14, 42%. So it would be a betting try. But I don't know. I like better after the earnings, which could be here, but it's okay. So let's see. Oops. Oh, look at this. XRP. Read today in the news that XRP might go somewhere because they're burning the coins. So if that happen, they burning like 200,000 weekly, and they have a billions or trillions. I don't know. I think it's a billions. So they need to keep it that pace. It burn all the way down. That way the price go up. And what happened? BNB, he burned big time twice. The first time, I remember I was holding some BNB. I saw the news, went from $20 to $40, and I think I sold in that range. Oh, I had to sell because I was my VPN didn't work. They got my IP address. They thought I was US. I had to cancel. So I had to sell and move all the money and all kind of things. And so, but I kind of realized when they put the news that when they burning the BNB, the price would be up. Made a mistake now, open another account and that situation, but that's okay. So from 23 went 45 for the first burn. The second burn went from 45 to 90. And from the I don't know if they did it the third burn. If they burned three times. I know the third time they went from $90 all the way up to that's when it hit like almost 500. So that was insane. It's crazy. So we're looking at Cryptometer. We got OpenStrat. We talk about Netflix. I'm waiting for see if they try to close the gap, the second gap in the Netflix that was make a draws in here. That should be this top price 510. So if this happen between this week and next week, are gonna be good because the volatility go high, the price in the call go high. Even if they try to push close to this, like close to 600, and then come earnings and the price drop, of course I'm not gonna hold my call position. I'll wait for this. If you get really close to the $600 buy before earnings, I close my position. I'm not gonna hold any position and waiting for, because this is gonna kill my call position. They're probably gonna go kill on a volatility, and it's not gonna be good. Not gonna be good at all. So if you subscribe to the channel, talk about everything: Tesla, Netflix, Apple. I already talked about gold, oil, Bitcoin. Started with Dodge, went past through XRP, and I'm just talking. No viewers at this point. 3 people just started and dropped. I need 1,000 subscribe. I can be talking, but I'm so tired. There was a long day. It was very hot day here in Orlando. We had a 95 degrees, but the feel was about 112. So I gonna wrap up. I'm gonna go too long. I think I did already a good job. About 30 minutes. I probably tomorrow come back at the open. Gonna see the open for the market, and then come up live and I do an open. All right. So thank you for watching this video, whoever watch, and see